everybody. Today we are going to take a look at the Marriott Hotel at the Philadelphia Airport. This hotel is located right at Terminal B, right inside the Philadelphia Airport. And you can walk from the Marriott Hotel, and this is the skywalk right here that will literally take you right into Terminal B. So it's actually really cool and super convenient. There's also a shuttle bus that will take you to your terminal as well if you don't feel like walking, and you catch that terminal right out front. Inside the lobby, you're going to find the Grand Ballroom, check-in. There's also the Aviation Grill, which is a full restaurant and bar. There's also a Starbucks on this first floor with a really nice gift shop that you can check out, and has a lot of cool Philadelphia merchandise and all the Philadelphia sports teams, and your snacks and basic Starbucks coffee and treats that are in here as well. There's also a gym located on the second floor of this Marriott hotel, but it was pretty crowded, so we didn't want to go in. The views from around this hotel are so cool. You're right at the airport. You can see planes taking off and landing. Our room is a runway view room, and it was like $10 or $15 more. So we never have stayed here, and we wanted to, definitely stay on the runway. And the hotel room was nice. The bathroom, your standard bathroom, has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash mounted right on the wall. And everything was clean, your basic tub, and everything was nice and clean. Towels, soaps, lotion, your basic toiletries that hotels provide. And your mirror. There's also an ironing board, a luggage holder, an iron, a coffee maker with some coffee and tea in the box. And there was a nice, really big TV, a nice desk with some USB ports. Plenty of lighting, ice bucket, and there was a couple of bottled waters. And also at the front check-in, they also gave us another 2 bottles of water, which was nice. And the views, again, are just so cool. So here's our runway view. And we had so much fun watching planes take off and landing. It was so hard to actually go to sleep because there was always so much action going on outside. It was hard not to take your eyes away from it. The beds were really, really comfortable. And there's some, Philadelphia artwork. There's plenty of things to do in Philadelphia. If you're coming in from out of town and want to see some Philadelphia sites, they can hook you up with some tours, and there's so much stuff to do around the city. Again, here's your alarm clock with some more USB ports right by the bed. And yeah, it was a really nice hotel room, very comfortable and so convenient to the airport. Was our, big thing that we wanted to try here. There's also a mini fridge and plenty of drawer space in this hotel room. And the next scenes are just some planes taking off and landing in the daytime, and then there's some scenes at nighttime, just so you can see how cool this is to look out and watch these planes from the runway view room. And at the very end of the video, you can fast forward if you don't want to watch these, but there's a few short time lapses that are pretty cool to see. Just you can see the busyness of this airport at night. So hopefully you enjoy this, and thanks for watching.